Bago pa ma-promote sa mother team, gawa na natin ang review. Si Isaac Go ay isang 6'7" stretch big from Ateneo. Terra Firma drafted him sa special draft noong 2019 pero 2021 lang siya nakapaglaro para sa team. Rookie year niya was underwhelming. He only averaged 4.7 points, 2.8 rebounds sa 12.5 minutes niya per game. Pero this season, sa third year niya sa PBA, especially ngayong All-Filipino Cup, as of recording this, sa unang 8 games niya this conference, he played roughly 30 minutes a game na, in which he averaged 10.3 points, 6.4 rebounds, and 1.9 assists per game. Isa sa mga biggest strengths niya as a player ay yung 3-point shooting niya. In terms of 3-point shooting, medyo inconsistent pa, pero kitang-kita mo na may kamay siya and komportable siya putting up contested threes. Sa conference na to, so far, sa 8 games, he shot 34.2% from 3 on good volume. He's attempted almost 5 threes a game. And that's really good, especially PBA standards tapos big man pa. Okay, so sa play na to makikita natin na it's an angle pick and roll. Isaac Go will set a screen for Stephen Holt driving to the middle. Basically, inaatake dito ng Terra Firma si Junmar Fajardo as a pick and roll defender. Makikita natin dito, si Jeron Teng yung overshoot niya yung screen ni Isaac Go. So, Stephen Holt drove to the baseline. So, kung makikita natin si Junmar Fajardo dito, nakadrop. And si Isaac Go, basically meron siyang space all the way from here to here na pwede siyang mag-pop kasi merong tao sa corner and may tao sa wing. Merong spacing ang Terra Firma sa play na to. As we can see here, pagka-reject ni Stephen Holt ng screen ni Isaac Go, nag-pop si Isaac Go sa top of the key. And si Junmar Fajardo, na-draw ni Stephen Holt gamit yung drive niya. So, there's 2 players on the ball. And you have Isaac Go open sa top of the key. Na-recognize yun ni Stephen Holt. Kick out to Isaac Go. 3 points. So, another detail sa play na to, normally kapag 2 on the ball and walang pag-asa makarecover si Junmar or yung big man, si CJ Perez, dapat siya yung magko-close out kay Isaac Go. And si Trollano, sasaluhin niya si Carino, Junmar will drop down here. And dito naman sa play na to, empty side ball screen. So, why? Kasi kanina na pag-usapan natin yung help defense. Isang rotation away na lang yung 3 points ni Isaac Go from CJ Perez to be a contested 3-pointer. So sa play na to, nag-set ang Terra Firma ng empty side ball screen. So now, ginamit ni Wami Chongson yung screen ni Isaac Go. And against Junmar Fajardo, instead of dropping, medyo nasa level siya. Pero again, si Isaac Go, after ng screen niya, meron siyang space all the way from here to here na open. Kasi naka-clear out yung side na to eh. Walang tao sa strong side corner. As we can see here, nag-pop si Isaac Go, 2 on the ball again, Terence Romeo and Junmar Fajardo, and si Moala Tautua pa yung magro-rotate papunta kay Isaac Go and Marshall will tag. And again, ito yung advantage of having a stretch big. Literal na ini-stretch mo yung floor. Isa pang bagay na napansin ko sa kanya ay yung basketball instinct niya. Mabilis siya mag-react and alam niya lagi yung gagawin niya sa loob ng court whether on or off the ball. Ako personally, yan yung biggest indicator ko ng potential ng isang player. Kasi yung skills, yes, may ceiling yan, pero yung IQ, that's something na constant and that's something that makes a player playable despite weaknesses and all. So as we can see here sa play na to, it's a transition. Nagkaroon ng cross-match, Jeron Teng, a smaller Jeron Teng against the 6'7" Isaac Go. So normally, San Miguel, magbibuild yan ng wall. Kung makikita nyo rito si Trollano, ready na mag-dig. And CJ Perez, i-splitin niya na yung gap dito. Pero ang mistake na ginawa rito ni CJ Perez, and credits to Stephen Holt, tinag niya rito si Perez para pagka-kick out kay Kahilig, medyo delayed yung contest or yung close out ni Perez. And tingnan nyo si Isaac Go. Pagsalo ni Isaac Go, sinurvey niya yung floor. And nakita niya kagad na there's going to be 2 Terra Firma players against 1 CJ Perez. So pagkalingon niya, pagkasalo, pinasa niya kagad sa big side corner, open, Kahilig 3-pointer. Ganun kabilis yung reaction time. Dito naman sa play na to, same play. Mismatch, RK Ilagan against Sanggalang. So kung makikita nyo, medyo bad defense pa nga from Blackwater. There's 3 on the ball. Magdidig dito si Christian David, may Escoto, may Ilagan, and even yung weak side nakaabang. And si Isaac Go, nakita niya kagad na meron 3 players, Blackwater players, kay Sanggalang. So nag-flash kagad siya sa gitna. Ganong kabilis yung instinct. Defense naman, what can we really expect from a 6'7" big man na literal na big ang figure? Though, I think may solution dito. It's either the team deals with it. Kung baga, kapag dumating sa level na sobrang efficient ni Isaac Go offensively, or another way to go about it is to make Isaac Go a hedger rather than someone na nakadrop sa ball screen. Kasi he's not a solid rim protector right now. Pero pwede mo naman siya gamitin as a hedger when defending pick and rolls. In terms of motor naman, it's there. Minsan lang hindi nagko-coordinate yung katawan niya sa gusto niyang gawin. And I'm not saying na he should lose a ton of weight. I do think na kailangan niya, pero hindi naman sobra-sobra. Yung tipong pang Bobelga conditioning lang na hefty ka, in a sense, pero meron kang control sa katawan and nimble ka gumalaw. I think yun yung perfect scenario for Isaac Go. So overall, it's nice seeing him get runs and be successful as a stretch big. Kasi, unfortunately, it's not gonna last long. Di ako negative, pero yun lang katotohanan. Pero let's see. Why not, diba? Hayaan na natin tong Terra Firma guys na to cook for a couple of years muna or so. Malay mo, maging interesting yung playoffs pagdating ng playoffs.